Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to change your username on the Venmo app. Whether you just created your account and want something more personal, or you're updating your profile to make it look more professional, this video's for you. So, let's get started. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Once it's open, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the top of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that dot next from the menu that appears. Select Edit Profile. This will open up your profile settings, where you can see your current username along with your full name, email, and other personal details. Now, find the box labeled Username, tap on it. Delete your old username if needed, and type in your new one. Make sure it's unique and something that represents you well. Once you're happy with your new username, scroll down and tap on Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Venmo username. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.